battle's done, the storm is gone. I rest my soul where peace has won. A gentle stream of mercy flows, and in its tide my spirit grows. By the river of grace I sing, my heart restored, my soul takes wing. Where tears once fell, now flowers bloom. Your love has made this valley new. I see the light upon the wave, reflections of the love you gave. The scars I bear still shine with grace, for now they speak of mercy's ways. By the river of grace I sing, my heart restored, my soul takes wing. Where tears once fell, now flowers bloom. Your love has made this valley new. Your blood became the flowing stream that washed my sin and set me free. Now in your arms I find my rest, forever safe, forever blessed. By the river of grace I sing, my heart restored,